Hello friends! This episode features the microelectric car and two more inventions. Number 1. Tiny electric car. This tiny electric car is the future of urban mobility. It's called Microlino by Micro Mobility Systems, and it's a crossover between a motorcycle and a real car. The car's design is inspired by the Italian-made Isetta. But the Swiss microcar has a battery that lasts 200 kilometers and a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The two-seater vehicle takes just 1 hour to recharge and is the eco-friendly city car everyone should have. Number 2. 3D printed prosthetics for kids. These prosthetics are created for children and given to them for free. They are made by Team Unlimited. To enable kids to be independent. Built by 3D printing, they are inexpensive. But the smiles they bring are priceless. Number 3. Futuristic wind turbines. This innovative concept is the future of wind turbines. The 4-rotor wind turbine is smaller than regular ones, but could generate the same power and be more efficient. The futuristic invention is currently being trialed at the Technical University of Denmark Risør campus. The 4-rotor wind turbine is by Danish company Vestas, and its name refers to the fact that it has 4 rotors, instead of the usual 1 rotor used in the turbines of today. The 74-meter structure has a 900 kilowatt generating capacity, and its smaller components make servicing cost effective. Thanks for watching today's episode, my friends. Let me know in the comments which invention you like the most. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.